Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make these hopping origami frogs, and all you're going to need is a piece of paper. It can be just white paper or color paper. You're going to need a pencil, and you're also going to need some scissors. So let's get hopping. So I have my paper horizontal, and the first thing I'm going to do is make a square. If you already have origami paper, then you can skip this step. So I'm just going to take this corner right here and I'm going to fold it down to make a triangle. Just like this. And once you're satisfied, then you can make the crease a little crisper. And then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to mark this line right here. Now I'm going to cut this line, and if you don't have kid-friendly scissors, then ask an adult to help you. Now we have our perfect square. If you want to color this paper, you don't have to color both sides. You can just color the back and make sure that the white side is facing you, or you can use colored paper. So I'm going to start by folding this in half. And you want to make sure that you make your lines nice and crisp. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold down into a triangle. Then I'm going to unfold this and I'm going to do a triangle again using this side. Now I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And then from this corner, now your fold should look something like this. I'm going to take 2 fingers and I'm going to put it at the back, kind of like where this point is, and I'm going to push in very gently. I'm going to push in these triangles right in the middle here. And then I'm going to push this triangle down, and you're going to have a fold like this. So now I'm going to do that to this side. So it should look like this right now, and it will be open going horizontally, not vertically. So next step is to take this corner and you're going to fold that up to this point. Then we're going to take this point and fold it up to this point. Now I'm going to fold these in half. So I'm just going to put my finger down and I'm going to fold that in half like that. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. So try to do it from the corner like that. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. There. Now just like this, I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to take this part and I'm going to fold this up. So like that. Then I'm going to fold these corners inward. So I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold it inward and make sure that it is symmetrical to this point. I'm going to take this corner and fold it in, making sure that it meets the other side. And then almost done, I'm going to hold the frog like this. And at this line, I'm going to fold inward. So this line, fold inward. And then at about halfway here, I'm going to fold that up. So like that. And it might be a little difficult, but that's okay. Try your best and try to make that as folded as you can. And there you have your jumping frog. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you have fun playing with your hopping frogs. See you next time.